for the invitation. So, and also thanks to my predecessor, Amir Mohammed. It was a very good introduction, like a look into the future of battery energy storage systems. But now let's move more from theory and research to the practice, what we're doing with TRICERA Energy in Dresden, and what we're doing right now to stabilize the grid and also to advance the energy transition. Of course, for that we need battery energy storage systems. So I will try to keep it briefly, so like within the 5 minutes, but maybe you had a look recently in the media, and there's a lot of discussion around on batteries. So for example, in Spiegel here on the left or on the right, you noticed that there is like a record-breaking grid requests to our grids now with over 161 gigawatt of power, which is like an enormous amount. So like energy storages with batteries seems to be like a future market. So, and maybe here also at the beginning, a motivating picture. What you can see here is like on the left in California in April 2021, and the same, more or less the same picture of an equivalent day in April 2024. And I think this is the way we should go. So what was formerly provided by gas is now provided with batteries. And of course, there's even more potential, but this is where we should go. And now you might ask, okay, like also Amir Mohammed already told, where should all the batteries come? Here's just an overview of the European gigafactories, which are already built or which will be built. So basically, there should be enough capacity for us to integrate in our systems. So, but of course, also as our predecessor said, like we have a resource problem, you could say, because our resource is limited. We have planetary boundaries. So what makes TRICERA Energy unique as a battery energy storage integrator? So we do not only use first life batteries, which are produced in enormous amounts, but we take batteries which were already integrated in cars, in forklifts, and also like which is more or less the waste of the industry, which was never integrated in a vehicle, and we use it for our second life battery storages. So we move for the idea of circular economy, which is also very clear with the new European battery law, that this should be our target in the energy sector. So what do we actually build? So like our integration is separated, let's say, in 3 parts. On the left, you can see our standard product for a 10-feet container. So this is used like in normal companies for commercial and industrial applications. In the middle, you see like our big container. This is like, maybe equivalent to what we saw from Tesla, a 20-feet container. But as we said, these are not new batteries, but those are already used or second life batteries. And on the right side, we have a building, and maybe this is also my closing example to show you also what we make unique. And what's our like unique selling point is the flexibility. So here's a practical example. We built the biggest battery storage in Saxony. It's located in Freiberg at JT Energy System, one of our shareholders. And there we have an installed power of almost 29 megawatt, which can be used for trading at the energy market. And this is a very, so here we can see it's a nice look, because also here on it's directly close to a PV plant. So this is also like the idea that generation and storing is very decentral. And here, what's very important here, we integrated in one storage more than 10 different battery modules, like from different cars, from different forklifts, and also from trucks. And we did it like to integrate it in one system, which is finally just connected at one point of the grid, and it's working very well. And this is also to showcase that it's possible like to close the loop and to you go for second life applications. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, where there are really thousands of different batteries which we've integrated here. And yeah, in very different building techniques. This is still in the installation phase. Was the last battery module, but yeah, and I think like this shows like how we can be responsible, or we can have a responsible usage of material and resources, also to yeah, to foster their energy transition. So, and here are more projects, but I think I don't want to to take more time than we got. Thank you very much.